You're going to go to the website that we sent you. You're going to scroll down. You can go over to macOS 64-bit, and you can click on this link, which will download the file. Now we can go ahead and click on Open File. Now we can click on Continue, and we're going to leave the install location as default and click on Install. Now you're gonna type in your password. Alright, so after you've finished writing in your password, you're gonna just let it install. After it's installed, we can go ahead and click on Close. We can move this installer to the trash. Now just to double check that we have installed this installer, we can go ahead and go into Terminal. You can type in Java -version. Now, as you can see here, it told us that we have Amazon Corretto 11.0.7, which is exactly what we want. Alright, so now we're going to install IntelliJ IDEA. You're going to go to the link that we sent you, and you're going to click on Download. Now here, there's the Community Edition and the Ultimate Edition. We're going to be downloading the Community Edition as it's free, unlike the Ultimate. And the Ultimate has more features, but we don't need any of them. So we can just use the Community Edition. You're going to click on Download, and let it download. Okay, so after the installation is complete, you can click on Open File, and it's going to verify the DMG file. After that is done, we're going to drag the IntelliJ IDEA file into our Applications folder. After you've copied it to Applications, you can go into Finder, and you're going to go into your Applications folder, and you're going to go look for your IntelliJ, which is right here. You're going to go double click on that. Now I have to do some minor config. So it says here, do you want to open it? Because it's downloaded from the internet. We're going to go ahead and click on Open. We're going to go ahead and minimize our browser too, and IntelliJ should start to open up. After you installed it, we have to do some minor settings so we can configure IntelliJ. So we're going to click on Configure, and then we're going to go to Structure for New Projects. And now you go to the Project tab, and as you can see for me, it says No SDK. And yeah, if it says here, you can click on 11 Java version. If it doesn't show up, then you can click here and then click on Add SDK, JDK, and you can go. So we installed ours in our program files, so you have to remember where you installed it, and ours was installed in our folder called Program Files. It's called Amazon Corretto. Here we have JDK 11.07.10. So we can click on that, and we can click on OK. And now that's done, we can go to Edit, and right now it's just 11.2. So instead we can change that to Corretto-11, so we actually know what it is. And we can click on OK. Now after that, we're going to click on Configure. You can go on Settings, or on Mac this will probably be Preferences. Then you're going to go to Editor, and then under General, we're going to go to Auto Import, and we want to select Add Unambiguous Imports on the Fly and Optimize Imports on the Fly. Now after you do that, you're going to go to Appearance, and here you want to make sure that Show Line Numbers is checked. Now you can go into Code Folding, and we're going to uncheck a couple of things. So we're going to uncheck Imports. We're also going to uncheck one-line methods over here, and we're also going to uncheck closures such as anonymous classes implementing one method before Java 8, which we don't need. And we're also going to uncheck generic constructor and method parameters, so right here. And that's it, so we can click on OK. And that's it, you've now set up IntelliJ, so we can start programming in Java.